Hey guys, just doing an unboxing video of the ClarkPads V13 system. Finding myself doing a few more voiceovers, more or less now because of convenience, and at the time of this video recording, it was 11 o'clock at night, so didn't want to wake anybody. Here you see me just opening the box, taking some of the packaging out. He includes some Velcro pads, the system itself, the seat, the front rear bumper, as well as a bag of hardware. I ended up actually not using any of the Velcro because the front bumper clamps onto the stock metal bumper pretty well, and the rear seat along with the rear bumper are screwed together to clamp down on the rear metal bumper pretty well too. That, and with the trolley handle down, I haven't had any issues. Another thing I can point out in this video is the seat is very plush. It's very cushiony, and it's very comfortable to sit on. The trolley handle barely sticks out at all. And when I'm just sitting on it, it doesn't bother me at all. So I addressed this to Chris initially, and we both agreed it's perfectly fine. If people want to add more height to it, they can always add more padding. So there's really no problem there. I'm test fitting the rear bumper to the seat right now. I see that there's a little bit of a gap, but once you start tightening down the screws that he includes, the gap goes away. I'm just fast forwarding the process right now just to keep things moving. You can see me taking the two black pieces of the front bumper and then screwing that to clamp the front piece on. If anybody has any other questions, just go ahead and put it in the comments. I'm still new to this whole YouTube thing. Obviously, I don't have any decent production value with me and my tripod, and just I'm not here for anything crazy except to help you guys out and to give you at least first glance of what I have. So one of the design things that we were looking at was to make sure the rear bumper cleared the stock mudguard. So he was able to adjust some of his designs to make sure there's a cutout, and it just works fine again. So you see me basically screwing on the rear bumper into the seat. I only put 2 screws in on each side, so that's 4 total, but there's actually 6 holes. I ended up adding those last 2 screws after the video just to make things more secure. And of course, being at night, I couldn't really turn on the wheel, so being a dumbass, I decided to try to sit on the wheel with it off, and you could see it slide out underneath of my butt. But the seat is very cushiony. The front bumper is nice to grab onto. I always found even the stock metal bumper really nice to hold on to grab while you're sitting down. But this one doesn't add too much bulk, and it's very comfortable to grip. That's about it. Thanks for watching.